In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location and there is that nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 9.8, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. We talk about the amenities of this property, so you can see on the screen. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Location of the property is good and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. The property is available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several rooms and numbers are available online on this property along with various plans and rating policies. If you are trying to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, follow the description that will give you by commenting. We will help you. If you have already checked out this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on the channel and you have not subscribed our channel yet, then please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any video of our upcoming property. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends,